Jagaban. So Jagaban. So I wake up this morning to videos the way they circulate na the internet. Jagaban Kawit the boss them we don't promise we go clear na wataki. Na they Kawit. So politician them can do this because I believe say na the first thing this I see somebody say want be president and do this thing to we the people. What happened with the previous one? Why not be the one? Why the previous?
Jama, please, I want to make an attack for me until I want to connect on this video. So Jama, as I was on the street of Facebook, minding my business as usual, they face me before they look for it, you know, they look for me. Now, I see until I want to connect where they react to this video, right? In as much as until I want to connect, don't get it twisted. You understand me? We disagree for agree. Everybody get right to your opinion. This is your own opinion. And maybe they come for canto light from your opinion. You understand me? In as much as you they make sense, you understand me? You get a valid point. You get a point, right? But at the same time, I want to try for debunk small on waiting you they try for emphasize on the question where they ask if you politicians then can do this, right? Yeah. Now, until I want to connect, yes, politicians they do that. They do that. And also you they curious say why make the other politicians then no do this, right? No, they do waiting Uncle Jagaban they do so. It might happen say some of them no get money. It might happen say some of them get money. Some of them they not get money, but they plan for me they can't bashi. Even the one they say we get money. You understand me? They plan back for bashi because you know money sweet and money they enough for anybody. Anybody will get money, you want money back. You get me, right? So now may we go straight to the point. Until I want to connect. By right. If not a sober-minded country, then we get a country where get foundation, a country where they go with principle, a country where get rules and regulation, a country where get constitution and then farm. And the constitution, waiting the constitution say, but not so a country to say it gets a constitution, it there na paper, but guess what happen? The so-called laws makers them, they need to enforce the law. So like the law is just there on paper, but guess what? They are not enforcing the law, and which is bullshit. You understand me? So now, until I want to connect, as I say, right? Sweden now they need vote for somebody of waiting you they can do. You understand me? They vote for somebody for waiting now you intention what you get for can do if they choose you. Now, by right, I hope say a lot of Sierra Leoneans there are well-meaning for Sierra Leoneans there, where the IQ they alert. You understand me? Go support me, Pandi say, by right. When politician or if they come say for make people guess what happen, vote for or if they can't for campaign by right. If you will use in words them for win the people but not you they come for can do things them, you they do things them. You understand me? So now. What you want tell we say? See, you they do them things they are so. So guess what happen? If luckily for you, you win as the president or then give flag bearer, you later win. What happen? The election. What are you plan? Because listen, me politics na business until I want to connect. May I be frank with you. Now what you put, now you they pull. You understand? Now business, me nobody no lie to you. Uncle Jagaban, everything they do so. May I say, God make, you understand me? In lead we as president. So you feel say Uncle Jagaban no go pulling losses. In fact, if they bashi, we don't take profits back. Yes, now. And they give a lot of examples there. Now, maybe take a look at senior citizen. Una all sabia. By senior citizen. He spend a lot with be now waiting. Now the red and white. Where senior citizen tell and say, may he stop for the bashi, may he stop for the loot. Uncle senior citizen, no stop. Una no go down there. I can't tell you now waiting if the loot. But he no stop. At all. Now, maybe take a look at another senior citizen. We stand as a mayor. We lose. You understand me? According to women as it said, they say it be devastated because the money we spend is a lot. Now, maybe take a look at let senior citizen. And we be then at the green and white. He don't die. May his soul rest in peace. They said he spent a lot of money. He was devastated. I allege maybe if this self not a part of in buying past God. Yes, they said the man is spent up to 1 billion yuans or more than 1 billion yuans all notes. We spend at that campaign day. We at the ending of the day, no win. Because me no say if we win, same like how that senior cities the way they are red and white. You understand me? We be the loot. If we do the same thing, we call it speed a speed. You understand me? Usai Uncle Jagaban be there until I want to connect. We no say we get a lot of lapses they import all other country. Usai Uncle Jagaban be there we no can and do things say for people without in standing for waiting presidency. Who say it be the why make it not be do? If he say we not be needing thing then now we need them. No, that he want tell me. I mean, in a wait happen potential citizen of this country. Why make it not become? If they do all the things that way they do, or he can't do them because he want make we vote for him. You see, say then think they go stupid, we then think they go move with because wait happen. Previous senior citizen them, they need to do that, right? Whatever when a politician is doing, they are doing it for their own gain, for their own profit, for their own personal gain. And say, I want to connect. I have no personal grievances of vendetta. I have nothing against Uncle Jagaban. He is a good guy. He is a nice guy. So waiting at the scene at the street of social media, because some of them, when they can inside, they turn to fish. Yes, they don't change. All waiting them, they promise sweet. They don't forget to say, they don't make a lot of promises then, and the manifestos then. Yes, he is a good guy to waiting at the scene at the street of social media. But am I convinced? No, I'm not convinced because I don't trust them. I don't trust politicians. They say things that they will not do. They give a lot of promises to the masses. And guess what? They will not fulfill none of it. I'm not convinced until Awana to corner, until further notice. You understand me? Whatever you see Uncle Jagaban they do, I don't feel say they do it under goodwill. If they do it because he wants something. You get for full for getting wisdom. You get for stupid for me, you get what you want. Now the cat now in the place so. Now the game now in the place so. And a lot of Sierra Leoneans, them, they fall for it. These people, they are all the same. Until I want to connect, they are all the same. They are all. They can, but they give different promises them. And guess what happen? When they can, they not go do none of it. Instead, they loot we money, can go abroad. Yes. Who say Uncle Jagaban be there? Why not now? Where he want stand for presidency? Now they do all them goodies there so. I don't fall for it. I don't learn from a lesson. Now abroad na that they so. Oh, very matured. To be honest with you. Yes. No, even the one they say, I don't see some of them for say, oh, FJ, we the one they say, where people say they need do anything, they loot. Yes. Even the one they say, when they not get it, they loot. They thief free money, they can't go abroad. No, look, one of we senior cities where people say, you know, do say, all, then can't see there, where Uncle Jagaban they do. According to Woman as it, I have no proof. You understand me? They say he is one of the most richest senior citizen in the continent of Africa. Now we can't see this country where people say people barely eat. The minimum per day. I even say it's $1. Yes, 9 people in the survive part. Even the other senior citizens say our waiting, our culture. We should not eat 3 meals in a day. Our culture, we eat 1 meal a day. Still, they don't see we finish. They don't see we finish until I want to connect. Please, don't be fooled by this. Don't do it. Don't do it until I want to connect. You see, let's pass this now. You don't say that this little social media. Don't fall for it. No. A lot of people go fall for this. Say, cow is boss, cow with this. It good. Waiting, they do it good, may God bless her. But waiting at Uncle Jagaban in intention, if he win, if they take the money back from where the masses them, if they take the money from the taxpayers them back, no, trust me now. If the thief say it thief the Sierra Leone waiting up commercial bank. Oh yes, now of course. We get one of the most senior citizens in the continent of Africa where they travel past every other senior citizen there. He give a debt, you know, give a F. Well, then they say the country no get money. They say how for renovate the stadium. We need for go left to Chinese people then, so that after when they don't make condom, it blunt them. After some year, it go blunt we. Same like what they happen at Waterloo toll gate. Same like what they happen at the airport. But money day for make senior citizens go travel, but money not day for renovate. So until I want to connect, before I end this video, with this few points of mine, I hope I'm able to convince some anti-Bitalif them, plus you, some senior citizens them, and some anti or Uncle Bitalif and say, Uncle Jagaban, no, they do this in a goodwill. He's doing it for his own way to happen, selfish gain, for in your interest, not the interest of we Sierra Leoneans. Because whatever way Uncle Jagaban they do now, so now we the mass system and the taxpayers there, now we get for pay that money they back. So Jama, I'm out for today. Now I had to stop long time.